Hey guys, so a lot of you have been asking how to move your contacts out of Mojo and into BatchDialer. I totally get it. BatchDialer is less expensive. It gives you free phone numbers, phone reputation monitoring, gives you property details for your contacts, and lets you monitor your agent's conversations. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Honestly, it's no wonder people are switching. The point is, it's extremely easy to move your contacts into BatchDialer, and I'm going to show you how to do it in 9 simple steps. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can keep bringing you educational content for free. Okay, so step 1. Hopefully this is the last time you'll ever need to do this. Log into your Mojo account. Next, go to the data/dialer area of your account. Select the contacts you want to export, then click the export button at the bottom of your screen. The system automatically selects all the fields to export, but you can remove some of those if needed. At minimum, you'll need to make sure you export the contact's first name, last name, and phone number. A quick note, Mojo can only export up to 100,000 contacts at a time, so if you have a large list, you'll need to do this a few times. Now we're already at step 4. See how easy this is? You're going to open your BatchDialer account and navigate to Contacts, then Contact Lists. Then you're going to click the Import Contacts button at the top. Step 6, upload your exported Mojo file by clicking or dragging it into this area right here. Next, map the correct fields. This basically means if your Excel column says first name, you'll match it to the first name section of BatchDialer. Most of this will be done for you automatically, but at a minimum, you'll need to map first name, last name, and one phone number, at least one phone number. If you want to view the contact's property details, you'll also need to include address, city, state, and zip code. Okay, now for step 8. You'll need to name your list, assign it to a campaign. You can skip this step if you don't have campaigns yet. Choose what to do with duplicates, and choose what kind of scrubbing action should be performed. If this is your first time uploading contacts, you might not have duplicates, but it's always a good idea to scrub your list against the DNC to avoid fines and legal fees. Lastly, click Submit. You'll receive a synopsis of the contacts that were uploaded versus those that were skipped and the reasons why. You can always view this log again later by going to Contacts, Contact Lists, and clicking these 3 dots next to the list you just created. Click Upload Status Log to review it again. And that's it. You're ready to set up your campaigns, add phone numbers, and start dialing. There are a million reasons Mojo users are switching to BatchDialer. Not only is BatchDialer less expensive, it has dozens of features that help you and your agents call on more leads in less time. If you're curious about how to make the most of your BatchDialer subscription, head to the Help Center of your BatchDialer account and check out our tutorials or our knowledge base. There might be some really cool features you don't know about. Thank you so much for watching and for being a BatchDialer subscriber. You've made the right choice.